Make the ground shake.
Welcome back, visitor. Today we are continuing learning about the use of the pronoun it. Number 2, for animals. Start the sentences below. He loves his dog and cannot do without it. He loves his dog and cannot do without it. The horse fell and broke its leg. The horse fell and broke its leg. Number 3, for young child. Start the sentences below. When I saw the child, it was crying. When I saw the child, it was crying. That baby has torn its clothes. That baby has torn its clothes. Number 4, to refer to some statement going before. Start the sentences below. He is telling what is not true, and he knows it. He is telling what is not true, and he knows it. He deserved his punishment, and he knew it. He deserved his punishment, and he knew it. Dear visitor, this lesson is continuing. Don't miss the next class. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.